Rocket. Do you know how I got my name? From my dad, fool. And because I can count down, blast off, then play Psycho Math. Okay, now for how Psycho Math works. I'll show you an equation, but instead of numbers, I will show you some pictures. Now listen up. You figure out what numbers the pictures stand for and solve the problem. Are you ready? Then let's do some Psycho Math. Okay, let's start with the number of stripes on the American flag. Then add it to the number of hands on Captain Hook. Then divide it by the number of peas in a pie. You know, like the saying. That reminds me, eat all your vegetables first. Then you get Psycho Math for dessert. Now, you got the answer? You take the 13 stripes of the American flag, add it to the one hand on Captain Hook, the other is a hook, get it? Divided by the 2 peas in a pie, and the answer is...
7!
You heard me, 7. That number is a slice of heaven. Now, get ready for the next one. The number of signs of the zodiac, plus the number of quarts in a gallon. You with me so far? Then take away the number of sides on an octagon. All right, now, what does it equal? We got 12 signs in the zodiac, plus 4 quarts in a gallon, minus 8 sides of an octagon, giving us... You heard me right, I said 8. Some say you're crazy, but I think you're great. Okay, here's the final one. The number of degrees in a circle. Here's a hint. It's a nice round number. Then subtract the number of seconds in a minute, minus the number of dollars you get for passing go in the Monopoly game. You got the answer? Well then, let's go. There are 360 degrees in a circle, minus 60 seconds in a minute, minus $200 equals 100. That's right, 100. Yeah, you are one beautiful number. Okay, I've got to quit, because I'm all out of Psycho Math. These numbers don't grow on trees, children. Oh, but wouldn't it be a beautiful world if they did? Yes, it would. Until that time comes, Professor Rocket's out.